Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is not a cooking video, neither is it a travel vlog. I am here today to show my appreciation to you. Yes, we did it. We have reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. You know, what an incredible journey it has been. And I want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you for your support. I really thank you. From my very first subscriber to my 1,000th subscriber. Thank you so much. Thanks for the likes, for the shares, for the comments. I really appreciate it. And this first milestone would not have been possible without you. Oh yes, your encouragement inspires me to keep creating and sharing. And here's to more exciting, amazing recipes and also unforgettable travel adventures. You know, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning for us, and I can't wait to see where the journey takes us next. You know, I want to thank you for being a part of this amazing channel, the MDTD community. You know, let's aim for the next milestone, which is 2,000 subscribers. And I know that with your help, then it would be very much possible. So I want to encourage you to continue to support by subscribing, liking the video, and sharing the videos with your family and your friends. I really appreciate it. And like I've said before, I could not have done this without you, right? And I have not forgotten. I will definitely reveal what MDTD means, but that video is coming soon, so stay tuned, keep watching the videos. I will definitely hold my end of the bargain. So thank you so much for being a part of the MDTD community, and I look forward to sharing more exciting recipes with you and also my travel experience. God bless you. Stay tuned. Keep hitting the subscribe button. Keep putting the thumbs up on the video. Share it with your family and your friends. Let's help this community grow. Let's get to the next milestone, which is 2,000 subscribers. Can we do it? Oh yes, we can. We can do it with your help. Yes, if you're watching this video and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and let's do this thing together. God bless you. See you in the next video. Until next. And yes, I do wish for you all the very best for 2025. May the peace of God rest with you. May you be safe and may you accomplish all your dreams and all your goals. God bless you. See you soon.